Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to trace from the letter A to the letter Z. So let us get started. We will do the color names. This is purple color. This is red color. This is pink color. This is orange color. This is yellow color. This is green color. This is blue color. This is black color. Now we will start tracing all these letters. Blue color. A for apple. Yellow color. B for ball. Black color. C for cat. Pink color. D for dog. Purple color. E for elephant. Orange color. F for fish. Blue color. G for giraffe. Yellow color. H for hat. Black color. I for ice cream. Pink color. J for jug. Purple color. K for kite. Orange color. L for lion. Blue color. M for monkey. Yellow color. N for nest. Black color. O for owl. Pink color. P for parrot. Q for queen. Purple color. Orange color. R for rat. Blue color. S for sun. Yellow color. T for tiger. Black color. U for umbrella. Pink color. V for van. Purple color. W for watch. Orange color. X for Xmas. Black color. Y for yak. Pink color. Z for zebra. So now we will read A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you kids for watching this video. I hope you like it and do subscribe. Bye bye. Have a good day.